Welcome inside a modern apple juice factory. Every bottle begins with fresh orchard apples. The journey begins in motion. Cleanliness is the first step of production. Only the best continue forward. Human eyes ensure quality. Pressure releases pure sweetness. Crushing releases the natural sweetness. Clarity defines quality. Liquid gold moves through steel veins. The factory moves juice like a river. Heat ensures safety and shelf life. Precision temperature control matters. Cooling preserves fresh taste. Large volumes wait for bottling. Bottles are created in seconds. Clean containers prepare for filling. Thousands are filled every minute. Freshness is locked inside. Branding completes the product. Packaging secures every pack. Automation keeps pace with demand. Pallets rise layer by layer. Shipments are secured for travel. The journey leaves the factory. The journey begins as the cargo truck leaves the factory.
Please like, share, and subscribe.